Hey guys, what's up? It's Daniel, the Bearded Apprentice. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be doing a morning routine video. For everyone that's new here, welcome. All I ask is that maybe you like, subscribe, and ring the little bell, let you know when I drop new content. For everybody coming back that's regular, hey, thanks guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. So we'll get into the morning routine video right after this. Hey, welcome back. So, as you can see, first thing, throw on the hat, grab an energy drink. I come in here to get beard ready for the day, depending on what I'm doing. I showered last night, so to do this when I do shower the night before and the next morning running late, behind, whatever, I have a bottle of water, room temperature. Gonna get the beard all nice and wet. Just wet her down, work it in. Like I said, this is for when I've showered the night before, or if I'm running behind and don't get the shower in the morning, which I usually shower every day when I get home. I get the beard all nice and damp and moisture, get a little bit in the stash. Make sure to spread the water out. Get everything nice and damp. Grab the towel here. Pat dry a little bit. Don't want it too wet. Okay, so grab some oil, which you can't go show right now. It's something I'm testing, but just get some. I shake my oil, set her down, take my Wet Brand detangler brush, go in an upward motion lightly to get any and all tangles. Grab my other Wet Brand detangle brush and just kind of give it a nice brush down. Nothing major, nothing crazy. Gets it kind of to normal. And I grab my oil, shake it up again. Get my oil in my hand. Start at the bottom, cheek line. I use what I like to call the shake and scratch method. Get it worked into the skin. Sorry if I'm looking into the mirror. Man, it smells good. Can't wait to review it. Get it all nice and worked in. Worked in the underbeard. Rinse my hands off. Once again, tighten up the lid on the bottle so don't spill it. Grab this Wet Brand brush and I'll gently go in an upward motion. Make sure to evenly distribute the oil. Love these brushes. These Wet Brand brushes are amazing. Get them on Amazon. My fiance picked them up for me. Kind of on accident, but I ended up loving them. Alright, then come back with the long handle brush, Wet Brand, and just give it a brush down. Use my hand to kind of style as I go, which I've been brushing it, same direction for so long, it's kind of trained itself. Good to stash a little attention. If I'm going to work, I will apply balm throughout. going to bed, if this is my nighttime routine, night, you know, until I have a baby. But if this is my nighttime routine, I'll hit it with some butter. Wait 5-10 minutes. Hit it with some butter. Style is needed. And yeah, so that is my routine, guys. That's what I go through every morning. Little side beard action here. You see I have my black shirt on, so you can't really see much, but it's not all frazzled and nappy looking anymore. So more content coming, more tips and tricks. We will catch you on the next one, guys. Learn something new today. Let it grow. Thanks. I appreciate it.